Concepts NREC, we offer a unique set of solutions for the turbomachinery industry. We're a total turbomachinery resource. Our products and services span the entire spectrum of the turbomachinery value stream.
At Concepts, we maintain our expertise in turbomachinery largely because of the fact that we have the capabilities to do not just design and research, but we can also build and test. That includes everything from design software to computer-aided manufacturing software, design services for the latest in turbomachinery products, and the manufacturing, build, test, and commissioning of new products. So anything turbomachinery related, we're involved from beginning to end.
If you're looking for a machine shop that makes high-volume, simple aluminum components, we're not that kind of shop. We specialize in the most challenging turbomachinery products our customers have to offer.
We're a complete solution for anything that spins really fast. High-speed rotating equipment could be a turbo in a car, could be a pump, could be a leaf blower, all the way up to stuff that load-tests gas turbine engines at high speed and high power around the world.
We are very fortunate to work on some cutting-edge projects from space to military to commercial applications.
Concepts NREC has been around for over 60 years. For a company to be around that long, you have to innovate, adapt, and continually stay on the cutting edge and the forefront of the greatest challenges in turbomachinery. We're not involved in the technologies of yesterday, but we are changing the future.